all. Hello friends and viewers online. In this personal episode, 6 divided by 3 which equals 2 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 4 divided by 2, and we can write this part as 2 over 4 divided by 2. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 4 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 2 which equals 2 over 8. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts.